House Design Spot Presents.
Cheetah Plains Lodge by ARRCC. The new Cheetah Plains Game Lodge in the Sabi Sand Game Reserve in the Kruger National Park, South Africa, designed by ARRCC, reinvents traditional safari-style architecture to create an altogether new safari experience of nature from within. Combining state-of-the-art sustainable architecture with a pioneering Afro-minimalist aesthetic, Cheetah Plains contrasts confident contemporary and organic forms with the natural landscape, creating something beautiful in the unexpected creative contrast of seemingly opposing forces. The lodge accommodation at Cheetah Plains is split into three separate, private components referred to as the Plains Houses. These, in turn, are made up of clusters of freestanding buildings rather than the typical lodge typology of a central communal space surrounded by bedroom suites. The convergent straight lines and expansive cantilevered roof structures of the lodge not only offset the architecture against its setting, a sculptural form or jewel in the landscape. Feature walls built with hand-packaged raw mica, naturally rusting corten steel and timber elements introduce warmth and earthy, raw textures. A unique sense of place is carried through in the abundant use of locally sourced natural materials and bespoke designs handmade by local artisans. Organic natural forms are abstracted in the patterns, forms, and rhythms of the interior design. The feature of the black steel flues of the fireplaces, for example, contrasts artfully with the straight lines of the architecture. Richly textured fabrics, aged leathers, and wood grains have been subtly offset with sleek details. Many of the furniture pieces were custom designed by ARRCC and OCA in collaboration with local craftsmen, including Colin Rock, Pierre Cronia, and Gerrit Giebel. The story of the design is a collaborative vision that carefully explores the considered design of every element and their materials to reveal their natural beauty and purest form, shaping elements that are raw and transforming them into objects of luxury, says Riley. At the same time, the integrated concept of architecture, interiors, and furniture design gently revolutionizes the safari experience and advances the discourse of game lodge architecture.